Understanding Critically Acclaimed, a guide to English compliments. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're unpacking a phrase you've likely heard in conversations about movies, books, music, and more. Critically acclaimed. Let's explore what it means, why it's used, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video is for you. So, let's get started. To understand critically acclaimed, it's essential to break down the phrase into two parts, critically and acclaimed. The word critically relates to criticism or evaluation, usually by experts or professionals in the field. Acclaimed, on the other hand, means praised enthusiastically and publicly. When combined, critically acclaimed refers to something, like a movie, book, music album, etc., that has received high praise and positive evaluations from critics or experts in the field. It indicates a level of quality and excellence recognized by professionals. Using the term critically acclaimed signals that the work in question isn't just popular among the general public but also holds artistic, technical, or creative merit as judged by experts. This distinction is crucial in various industries, such as film, literature, and music, where the opinions of critics can influence an audience's perceptions and decisions. Being labeled as critically acclaimed can boost a work's reputation, increase its visibility, and sometimes even contribute to its commercial success. You might use critically acclaimed to recommend a movie, book, or another piece of work to someone. For example, you can say, "I just watched this critically acclaimed movie that I think you'll love." It's also common to see the phrase in reviews, advertisements, and awards ceremonies, highlighting the quality and prestige of a work. Paying attention to how it's used in different contexts can help you understand its nuances and when it's appropriate to use it in your own discussions. And there you have it, a closer look at what it means to be critically acclaimed. We hope this video has shed light on this commonly used phrase and why it carries so much weight in discussions about creative works. Remember, understanding such terms not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your ability to engage in more meaningful conversations in English. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this explainer helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. See you in the next video.